Starting around 12 October 2023, Dogecoin by and large is exchanging at $0.058 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.15% in every practical sense, most recent 60 minutes, which basically is very critical. Doge in a real sense has a complete market cap of $8,191,035,965, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $135,147,711, which essentially is genuinely critical. This truly makes Dogecoin, Doge, truly positioning at 9 in the cryptographic money market, or so they for the most part thought. In the event that you by and large are a crypto financial backer, and considering what especially is the Dogecoin cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Dogecoin sort of be somewhat worth in 2023, which essentially is very critical. Is Dogecoin a sort of wise speculation or kind of worth purchasing in 2023, extremely as opposed to prevalent thinking? Will Doge cost basically outperform its untouched high, or so they truly thought? These for the most part are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future in an unobtrusive manner. Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation 2023, as per the Dogecoin figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Doge cost especially is supposed to for the most part cross a truly normal value level of $0.093, the normal by and large least value worth of Dogecoin, toward the finish of the in every way that really matters, current year ought to basically be $0.089. For the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Besides, Doge can explicitly arrive at a truly greatest value level of $0.098 in an unobtrusive manner. Dogecoin value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Dogecoin sort of is supposed to truly be at around an essentially least of $0.072 in a fundamentally huge manner. Dogecoin cost can in every way that really matters arrive at an in every way that really matters limit of $0.082, with the especially normal cost of $0.080 in United States dollars, or so they especially thought. Dogecoin value expectation September 2023. The cost of Dogecoin especially is fundamentally anticipated to basically reach it in every practical sense, least worth of $0.080 in September 2023, in an essentially significant way. The Doge cost could arrive at a truly most extreme worth of $0.085, with the exceptionally normal exchanging worth of $0.083 all through 2023, which especially is very huge. Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation October 2023. The cost for Dogecoin in October 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.082 and $0.089. Truly further appearance how might Doge value sort of outperform its untouched extremely high in an unpretentious manner. While the by and large normal exchanging cost ought to essentially be around $0.086, exhibiting that starting around 12 October 2023, Dogecoin generally is exchanging at $0.058 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.15% in most recent 60 minutes, or so they for the most part thought. Dogecoin value forecast November 2023. The cost of Dogecoin explicitly is especially anticipated to explicitly reach at a fundamentally least worth of $0.086 in November 2023, in a truly significant way. The Doge cost could truly arrive at an especially greatest worth of $0.093, with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $0.089 all through 2023 in a very enormous manner. Dogecoin value expectation December 2023. The cost of Dogecoin especially is essentially anticipated to generally reach at an exceptionally least worth of $0.089 in December 2023, or so they generally thought. The Doge cost could arrive at an extremely greatest worth of $0.098, with the fundamentally normal exchanging worth of $0.093 all through 2023, which explicitly demonstrates the way that Dogecoin cost can for the most part arrive at an exceptionally limit of $0.082, with the really normal cost of $0.080 in United States dollars, or so they basically thought. Dogecoin pretty past value examination in the essentially beyond 24 hours, the crypto truly has been diminished by 1.78% in its really current worth, which generally is very huge. Assuming that we fundamentally look at the very current market cap of the Doge with yesterday's, you can basically see that the market cap for the most part is likewise down, exhibiting that Dogecoin value expectation September 2023. The cost of Dogecoin especially is generally anticipated to basically reach at an essentially least worth of $0.080 in September 2023 in a quite enormous way. Dogecoin for the most part is confronting a fundamentally tough time jumping aboard with certainly other crypto coins, or so they really thought. The Doge explicitly is down to nearly 5.18% in the kind of most recent 7 days, showing how might Doge cost in every way that really matters outperform its record-breaking high, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. The coin sort of is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for genuinely past couple of days. The coin could especially have areas of strength for certainly at the same time. We don't in every practical sense imagine that it would a beneficial resource in every way that really matters, present moment. Extremely further appearance how this generally makes Dogecoin, Doge, sort of positioning at 9 in the cryptographic money market, which truly is genuinely critical. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of Doge for the most part diminished by 38.982%. Taking out an incredible by and large normal amount of $0.037 from its certainly current worth, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. This unexpected down truly implies that the coin for the most part is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can truly be a decent especially purchase a valuable open door for kind of fast venture. The 90 days cost change truly is near 32.92%. And the cost basically coursed from a base genuinely normal cost of $0.085 to sort of most extreme especially normal cost of $0.088 in the in every way that really matters recent days, which truly is genuinely critical. Dogecoin truly is somewhere near 18.95% with the extremely greatest truly normal cost of the coin truly was around $0.076 and the sort of least typical cost of sort of was around $0.073 in especially beyond 4 months, so the Doge cost could sort of arrive at a genuinely most extreme worth of $0.093 with the typical exchanging worth of $0.089 all through 2023 in a very significant manner. Dogecoin value estimate 2023 facts what will explicitly be Dogecoin truly worth in 2023, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. The Doge cost in every way that really matters is determined to in every way that really matters arrive at a sort of greatest degree of $0.098 with sort of least cost of $0.089 toward the finish of 2023, showing how Dogecoin value figure August 2023. In August 2023 the cost of Dogecoin in a real sense is supposed to be at around an exceptionally least of $0.072. Does Dogecoin for the most part have a future, which basically is very critical. As far as value, Dogecoin by and large has an extraordinary truly potential to really arrive at new levels, so will Doge cost generally outperform its unequaled high, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. It in every practical sense is